Creators love possibilities, seeking out the stories others miss, craving inspiration and pushing hard to find the narrative. That's the creed of the creator, and why they despise any roadblocks that rob them of creativity. Right now, that's live video production. Expensive gear, wrangling media and cable, and the chaos of large crews. The cure to that complexity is here. Sling Studio. An all-in-one multi-camera wireless video production platform with untold potential. A professional storytelling tool that alters the creative landscape. The shot and the angles are all that need attention. Sling Studio does the rest. Switching between 10 sources, from smartphones to professional cameras, all connected wirelessly and recorded to a single location. Wireless and battery operated, all in 1080p. Easy to use live editing, live to tape, and live broadcasting to YouTube or Facebook. Optimize your post-production workflow using Adobe Premiere and Final Cut Pro with the Sling Studio plugin. Sling Studio is innovation that breaks the barriers and cultivates more creativity. The emotional pull of your content can now go deeper. And sports, music, and any special event becomes more dramatic and inspiring. For those who have a great eye and those who are still developing it, this was designed for everyone. The intimidation of live multi-camera production is no longer a factor. The possibilities of great live stories are now limitless.
Unique and specialized jobs demand a device that's not only by your side, but also revolutionizes the way you work. The Mavic 2 Enterprise is your new ally in the sky. Its compact design makes it ready when you are, with an advanced tool set that empowers you to overcome any challenge safely and efficiently. Pilots of the Mavic 2 Enterprise can extend their vision to view scenarios in greater detail without putting themselves in harm's way. Whether it's getting a broad overview of your entire worksite or a close-up view to identify malfunctioning equipment, the Mavic 2 Enterprise has you covered. With expansive accessories that let you direct team members and operate in more scenarios than ever before.
This is the Mesa Fire Medical Department. Remain calm, help is on the way.
There's been a break-in
on the Lower East Side.
The Mavic 2 Enterprise is incredibly intuitive to fly right from your first flight. Precise controls and additional safety features make even the newest pilot feel like a seasoned professional. Obstacle sensors keep safety in mind without sacrificing its enhanced power. This is a tool for any operation with password protection securing critical data and GPS timestamping for identifying precise location and time information at a moment's notice. New tools demand new infrastructure, so we've packed the Mavic 2 Enterprise with the latest tech to update pilots on its surrounding airspace and how to avoid potential hazards while in the air. The Mavic 2 Enterprise is the next great tool that will elevate your inner strength, expand your capability, and power your every move, anytime, anywhere.